Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button. In today's video, I'll be reviewing this sailor themed water decals from BornPrettyStore. First thing I did was to cut the decals per piece. Then get a container with water in it. Now let's peel off the transparent film and let's soak it in with the water. Transfer the wet water decal to the stamper, then stamp it onto your nail. It's completely up to you if you want to use a nail art stamper or not. Then clean up the excess with a brush dipped with nail polish remover or acetone. Then do it to all of your nails. After that, let's apply top coat. Never forget to seal in the tips for a long-lasting manicure. There are two designs in one sheet of this water decal. The colors are so pigmented and it's very pretty. If you want a nail design that's very eye-catching and easy to apply, I recommend for you to use water decals. Never forget to hit like, share this video to your awesome friends, and click the subscribe button so you won't miss any of my future videos. That's it for today, guys. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you on my next video. Bye!